In this lesson, we will learn how we can easily use Google Gemini to search a job. With that, we can also get information regarding a company. So let's say you are going to give an interview. So you should at least have some information about a company. Google Gemini can also help you with this. Let's see. Here is our Google Gemini. We logged in. Click New Chat. Since Google Gemini is connected to the internet, to find a job, type job vacancy for a software engineer in, let's say, Delhi, India. Submit. Okay, so here it is. It has given some suggestions. You can share and export from here. You can also export it to docs. You can also copy it. With that, let us search up some information regarding a company. Let's say you are going for an interview. So you can type about the company and get some information. Let's say tell me about Amazon. Provide details on their mission, vision, values, products, services, key executives. So it will connect to the internet and give you the information. Submit. Okay, here it is. And information about the values, products, all the information, key executives. Okay, you can share and export from here. Also double check and you can copy it from here. Rename it. Job vacancy, rename. Here it is. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily search for a job using Google Gemini. We can also get detailed information about a company. Let's say we are going for an interview and we want some information about that particular company. Thank you for watching the video.